And 7 people were shot, 1 fatally, in 2 separate incidents in Kingston within the last 24 hours. Councillor for the Raytown Division in the Kingston Central Police Division, Rosalie Hamilton, says the police need to do more to stop the bloodshed.
Bullet holes almost everywhere. It's reported that sometime after 9 p.m., gunmen entered this bar at the corner of East Queen Street and Gold Street in the Kingston Central Police Division. The men fired several shots inside the bar. 5 people were hit, 2 women among the injured. We understand that they've been hospitalized. Councillor for the Raytown Division, Rosalie Hamilton, said the area is at war.
It's a gang war. It consists of some jealousy, some who get what, who not getting, and a little politics. That war has been going on since election evening, where we had a lot of drive-bys and stuff like that. It lead over into this last night.
She also chided the police for not doing more to stem the bloodshed.
The police has never have a handle on nothing. The police is always reactive, never ever proactive. The police appear on the scene every time just to put up the yellow tape and probably to do the crime scene or take persons to hospitals. Nothing else has happened.
On the heels of last night's attack, fears of reprisal.
You can't see one man where you want to kill and just run in at the bar and just shoot up the bar. You can't do that. These gunmen, them have a different approach to things. Them fearless. Them think them can go around and kill anybody, anywhere, anytime. Listen, man, the government have to put in some measures for them things, man. It can't continue.
In a second incident, 2 people were shot, 1 fatally, along West Street in downtown Kingston. We were told that gunmen entered the area and started firing indiscriminately.